The horror of the flooding tragedy in Libya is still coming into focus as the death toll has reached more than 5,000, and that number is expected to rise further in the eastern city of Derna, where flooding has caused massive devastation, according to a local health official. Authorities are struggling to get aid to the coastal city after the waters washed away most access roads. The United Nations Migration Agency says that more than 30,000 people are now homeless due to the destruction. Local rescue teams and aid workers who have managed to reach Derna continue to search for bodies on Wednesday, but entire neighborhoods were swept away or crumbled under the deluge of rainwater. One aid worker from Benghazi says, quote, "Bodies are everywhere, inside houses, in the streets, at sea. Wherever you go, you find dead men, women, and children." For more insight on the aftermath of the Libya floods, VOA's Ndiho spoke via Skype with Saleh Sarar, a journalist based in Eastern Libya.
What we call the disaster in the eastern part of Libya is great, because the city of Derna is about 200 kilometers from the city of Benghazi. And the city is affected by the hurricane and by the water. So a lot of people died. But up to now, there are no exact number or exact figures about how many people died. But as far as we know, well, there are thousands of people died. Not hundreds, not tens, not hundreds. Thousands of people died in the city of Derna. And the rescue missions, they are not saying, still, they are not talking about the exact figures of the people who died.
You said a lot of international aid agencies are also coming to your rescue. Are you able to maybe give us a sense of what has been done on the ground?
All the roads are closed, are damaged. So there are still people. And people of Libya, they are still trying to find ways how the missions come to the city, because no one, mostly they are talking about the roads which are damaged from the hurricanes. But as far as we know, as far as we hear that Italy is sending its troops to help the city. Also Egypt, which is very near. Egypt is very near to Derna. They also help Tunisia, Algeria. They send the airplanes to the city of Tobruk, which is near Derna. As far as we know, many countries are sending their assistance and their equipment to move the debris and to help the people and people who are surviving or the dead. They are trying to help the country. Most people are appealing to the governments, to the two governments, to be united and to make their possible help.
Saleh, you bring up a very good point. You said that people are appealing to the two governments to be united. What's the likelihood that is going to happen, considering that these two rival factions have been fighting each other?
The disaster helped the two governments to respond to the appeal of the people to be united, because the government of the western part of Libya, they send money and equipment and missions to help their brothers in the eastern part. Because some people in the western part, they announced that they opened their houses and their farms and their buildings to the people in the eastern part who want to join them and want to flee the floods. So this is a very good chance.
That was Saleh Sarar, a journalist based in Eastern Libya, speaking to VOA's Ndiho.